Welcome to this week's Q&A. I've got a great question from one of our viewers in Sydney that was asked of me last week, and our viewer said, look, given the tamer print in CPI data for September and October, do you think that inflation has in fact peaked already and we can look forward to some easing in the Reserve Bank's interest rate stance and monetary policy becoming easier next year? Look, the answer is no, I don't think so. I think inflation may have peaked, which would be a great outcome, but you know, the numbers for November and December probably tell us quite a bit more when they come out. However, in terms of next year, I think that the RBA is still going to raise rates by 25 basis points in December, and they may raise them again in February, at which stage I think they may actually pause for some time because of the impact of all of those fixed rate loans coming off by about mid next year, mid 2023. A large proportion of those will be rolling off. So the RBA board will get a bit of a free kick, a bit of a tailwind, I suppose, in terms of the monetary tightening, as it were, that causes. So people will have less money to spend on other discretionary items because they'll be paying a much higher interest rate on their mortgages. So I think that will feed into this. So I think there's still quite a bit of, economic pain to be felt in 2023, certainly in the first half, and we won't escape that in Australia altogether. I think obviously it'll be worse in other nations, and I can see the UK and the Eurozone going into recession, and the US also potentially falling foul of that. So yeah, no, it's not a situation where all of the interest rate rises have been factored in and we're looking forward to decreases. I think that's still a little way off, but it's always good to remain positive and look at the data as it comes in on a monthly basis, and then see what that gives us in terms of, I suppose, a bit of a runway going forward. So anyway, if that answers the question, I hope you're happy with that. And for anyone else out there that has questions that may be a little bit more perhaps strategic than focused on certain specific issues, by all means reach out and let us know, and we'll do our best to try and give you some informed information coming back to your end. We have weekly Q&A, so subscribe to our YouTube channel, and if you like this, please click like, and I'll see you at next week's Q&A. I'm Andrew Unterweger.